We're gonna do a real quick show, man, about this Japanese trained guys who like to grope women all the time. Let's check it out, man. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the reaction right now. Something to get it loaded up real quick. See what's going on. Man, that shit, that was nasty as hell, man. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment, baby. I got a whole bunch of other stuff I'm finna bring to y'all. This is just a quick video I was making real quick. And that shit, that nasty. Go ahead and leave a comment on what y'all think about this shit.